Hello students, today we all of learn about the remaining topics chapter our environments. The next topic is biomagnification. 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 Different types of biocides are used in our environments for the killing of insects, fungus, herbs, etc. These are known as insecticide, pesticides, herbicide. In these, some are biodegradable, where some are not degraded in our nature. Due to this, these toxic substances transfers from one trophic level to another trophic level and harm for organism. The points of definition of the biomagnification is as the increasing the concentration of toxic substances as successive trophic level. Means किसी भी टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस की जो कंसंट्रेशन है वो कंटिन्यू इंक्रीज होती जाएगी जब वो एक ट्रॉपिक लेवल से दूसरे ट्रॉपिक लेवल पर ट्रांसफर होगी. दिस इज नोन एज बायोमैग्निफिकेशन. एग्जाम्पल डीडीटी. DDT, the chemicals which are used for the controlling of mosquitoes and other insects, and then it reach in the water bodies. In water bodies, it is taken by the zooplanktons. The zooplanktons are eaten by the small fishes, and the small fishes eaten by the large fishes, and large fishes is eaten by the hawks and other birds. So one by one, the concentration of DDT increases in the trophic level. For example, zooplankton, small fishes, large fishes, eagle, the concentration in zooplankton 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4, 1, 10. The first trophic level in the zooplankton, the concentration of DDT 10 power minus 6, and when it transfer the second trophic level 10 power minus 4 and 1 and 10. Continue the increase the concentration of DDT. This is known as biomagnification. It leads to decrease the bird populations, because the DDT inhibits the maturation or metabolism of calcium, which are necessary for the developments of birds. बैठ जाओ 5 मिनट. ozone layer. The ozone layer is formed by the ozone gas. The molecular formula of ozone gas is O3. It forms in our atmosphere by the help of ultraviolet radiation. The ultraviolet rays in tropospheres, it is harmful for our life, but its presence in the stratospheres useful for our life. During ozone formation, the oxygen breaks into nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen. The nascent oxygen fuse with oxygen and form ozone, O3. The ozone protects our life, our whole life on the earth by the ultraviolet rays, which are harmful for all living organisms. Depletion of ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer. The thinning of ozone layer in stratospheres by the presence of some harmful chemicals is known as ozone layer depletion. In ozone layer depletion play important role CFC, methane, oxides of nitrogen, etc. Various gases. These gases release free chlorine, chloride, and this chloride used to fuse with nascent oxygen and form Cl. Due to this, decrease the quantity of ozone in the stratospheres, which leads depletion of ozone layers. Harmful effect of ozone layer depletion. First, various harmful effects occurs in living organism. Number 1, skin cancer, snow blindness, stunted growth of plants, and various harmful effects. It causes mutation, which leads to the change in the genome of living organism. Garbage, the useless or unwanted things which are present in our houses or our atmosphere is called garbage. This produce pollutions, different types of pollution, air, water, soils, so harmful for our life. The garbage can be removed to our atmosphere by the various ways. Number one, by recycling. Sewage treatment, by farming compost, various ways by which reduce the garbage in our environments and save our life as well as environments. Okay.